Hello viewers, welcome to the demo video of my Dream Card Generator web app. This app uses HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Express, and Heroku. Now let's jump into the functionality of my web app. When the button is selected, three items appear: a quote, an image, and a reset button. From here, the user has two options to move forward. Either select the Generate Dream Card button, again, which will generate another quote, vehicle, image, and the reset button. Or two, the user can select the reset button, which will remove the quote, image, and reset button and take you back to the start. I created this simple web app by using one event listener method, which is invoked when the Generate Dream Card button is clicked. Once clicked, I set up a function that takes in an array of images, which I added to my JavaScript file. This function uses the math operator to select a random image from the array I created and displays it on the page where I specified using a document.querySelector. I use the setAttribute method on the document.querySelector to set the source equal to the image that the math operator returned. That way, every time the Generate Dream Card button is clicked, a new random image appears. I set up the random quote similarly to the random image by using the math.random method and sending the random quote to a document.createElement. Once I got the quote, image, and reset button to display, I built out the reset function within the Generate Dream Vehicle function. Now, this was the hardest part for me to figure out, but with a little research and help from peers and mentors, I was able to find the correct methods to make the quote, image, and reset button to be removed. At first, I used a reload method that simply just reloaded the page after the reset button was clicked, which, as you can see there, when the page reloads, it takes you back to the start. To solve this problem, I used the onClick property on the reset button. Once the reset button is clicked, a few things happen within this function. The removeChild method is invoked, which removes the reset button. The inner HTML property sets the quote string to an empty string. The setAttribute method is invoked, which sets the source of the image to an empty string. And finally, I invoked the clearReset method, which resets the values. Thank you for watching this demo video. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback by leaving a comment below. Thanks. Goodbye.